Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Write me if my solution helped you and if it worked for you. Or if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me some likes. Let's get started. Let's go to Facebook with you. In the upper right-hand corner, open the menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Then Media Accounts Center, see More in Accounts Center. And then this is where our profile appears. Account. Personal details, password, and security. Click Person Details. Account ownership and control. Deactivation or deletion, select either Instagram or Facebook. Select Facebook. Then deactivate account and click Continue. Next here, click Page and click Continue. After that, we need to enter the password for our Facebook page. Then we'll be presented with an option as to why you want to deactivate, and you'll click on Password. Confirm and click Continue. After that, your page will be deactivated for a while. That's how simple and easy it can be done. Write if my solution helped you and if you succeeded. Or if you still have any questions. Be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. And also please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.